Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a window shadows to your photos to make it look more aesthetic. So here I'm using Epic and I'm going to add the window shadows into these photos right here. So what you need to do is just go to the stickers and then here in the search column find blinds. I'm going to try. Okay, so here is the result. You can just choose which one that you want to use. Let's say I want to use this window shadows, so you can just adjust the size like this, for example, and then after that just go back and go to blend and select multiply, so it will go like this. You can just adjust the position or how you like it. Okay, I'm going to try another blend option. Okay, so I think the overlay looks better. Then after that, if you're done, just click on this and just click on the arrow down to download the photo. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.